Hey, what is going on, guys? Boosted Whips here. Today we're going to be doing this little hack to get more of a whooshing sound out of your turbo sound out of the G70 3.3 liter, and it also works for the Stinger. So what we're going to end up doing is plugging the intake side and taking off the diverter hose from the passenger and driver side, and plugging the intakes side of that hose with this, which is rubber leg tips, which you can acquire at Home Depot, Kohl's, or any department store as such. So this hack was, or trick should I say, was posted by James Ortiz on Facebook. So I went ahead and just purchased this, and just to go ahead and give it a try. So let's go ahead and just get started. I'll post the links of where I acquired this directly from Home Depot, and I'll also link James Ortiz on Instagram. He's a very, helps out the community a lot, and very, helpful with this type of platform, since he comes with a lot of experience, since he has other generations of this motor or platform of the G70. So let's go ahead and get started. All right, guys, we're gonna go ahead and start from the driver's side. So we're gonna go ahead and remove the clamps. So what you're gonna need is some type of pliers. We're gonna remove both sides. And this side is going to stay empty. And what you want to go ahead and do is plug this side of the intake. And if you guys want to see the sound of how it was when I had the intakes, definitely check out my video when I did the intake installs, because I'm going to go ahead and show you how it sounds after this install. So let's go ahead and get that, opening up the box here. All right, the ones I bought comes with a pack of 4. I'm gonna go ahead and use one of them. We're gonna go ahead and add this on here. I'm gonna secure it all the way to the inside, like so. And you can use this or any other cap. This kind of sucks in, so that's all you really need. It's something that's very strong enough for that, and that's it. So I'm gonna go ahead and do the passenger side now. All right, on the passenger side is a little bit tricky, but what you're gonna go is go from here and unfasten this one. And then the other one is behind the actual charge pipe from the turbo. It's a little bit hard to see from here, so I'm gonna try to get it on the other side. All right, so there's the other clamp, which is on this side. I'm gonna go in through here. Hopefully I have enough leverage. Try to grab it from this other side here. Alright, diverter hose is out. I did it off camera. It was a little bit tedious to get on there, but I did it from the other side, maneuvering it until I was able to take it out, and then it's just pretty much easy, not that crazy on there. So now we're gonna go ahead and plug the intake side, and we'll fire this thing up and see how it sounds. Alright, so you're gonna go ahead and take another plug and go ahead and plug in the intake side. And there you go. Alright, I'm gonna go ahead and fire up the car and give it a few revs so we can go ahead and hear the difference in sound. Alright guys, so we're gonna go ahead and do the same test on the inside hopefully the camera can go ahead and pick that sound up, and we'll go ahead and wrap this video up. I'm gonna go ahead and put in Sport Plus, and let's go ahead and give it a few reps. Alright guys, hope you guys enjoyed the video. Go ahead and like, share, and subscribe, and definitely follow Jay Ortiz. And I also want to give a shout out to Car Tuners. Definitely follow Quick Nick on Instagram. He's the owner of Car Tuners. So if you need any KTM parts for Stinger, Genesis, G70, or any other KTM platform, definitely reach out to Car Tuners at Nick. And until next time, thanks for watching. Until next time, boost the whips. I'm out. Have a very pleasant day, and God bless.